Ever freeze mid-sentence because you're translating in your head? That's one of the biggest reasons English feels hard. Your brain is stuck in translation mode. You're not thinking in English. You're decoding a puzzle. The fix? Start small. Use simple English for everyday stuff. Every day sounds easy, until you miss 3 in a row. Label your actions in English, even when you're alone. Waking, walking, brushing, opening, eating. You're rewiring your brain to think in English, not just translate into it. The more you do this, the faster your words come out. And here's the secret: feel your thoughts in English. Don't translate them back. That's how you become fluent, not by memorizing perfect lines, but by living in the language. Subscribe to our channel so you can learn how to sound more like a native speaker.